Remember, you bring me here in America, I make me homeless, right? Remember, me not air fry you for the whole of COVID, the whole of 2019, after I get back my green card. Remember, I didn't hear from you. You never care if I did. You never care if me alive or me dead, right? So why all of a sudden me make a OnlyFans? You want to have a say in my life and you do nothing for me. My father left me at Jamaica with my mother from me at 5 years old. I'm gonna see back that man till me at 15. And it hurt my heart for no say. Me think about him every day. Because I always remember this one memory when me and him have. The last time I see him, he come for me and carry me go to KFC. He buy me juice and chicken and corn. And that day just stuck in my head. Like, me never expect him to be like that. Like, I expect him to be different. Like, you see your daughter for years and she is 15 now. Like, me never expect him to be like that. I think him to know better. Like, oh, you have to put a man over your daughter. Like, I would never have a daughter and choose a man over my daughter. Never, ever, 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 ever. I would never do it. And the sad thing about it is when him tell me, say, me figure look man because me a big woman now and him can't help me no more. This man not call me none till for my 21st birthday. I call him 1 week before my 21st birthday. I always try to reach out to him, but him never put in no effort to help me. I always call him and ask him for help, and him never ever ever wanna help me. Him never wanna help me. This man never wanna help me. So I said to myself when I got sick, I'm gonna start a OnlyFans. A friend of mine told me about OnlyFans and I started or whatever, and it was going pretty well for me and everything. And then I eventually met this guy, and he didn't want me to do it, and I stopped doing it. He reached out to my father too also. He reached out to him and him tell him a bag of crap. Him tell him how much him love me I'm daughter, and my bad and me this and my that. Why you keep telling people all these bad things about me when you don't know me? You left me at Jamaica with my mother when me at 5. Me not see you back till me at 15. And a pure disaster. As you come back in my life, a pure disaster. The first time I come America, me never expected to be like this. It traumatized me. You ruined my childhood. I can say you ruined my childhood. You literally ruined my childhood. It better you didn't make me stay at Jamaica. It better you didn't make me stay at Jamaica. You need to take me here if you know what you say they don't treat me. You need to take me here if you know what you say they don't treat me. This is unfair. Very much unfair. And me never asked for this and me never signed up for this. You brought me into this. And you go ahead and you turn your back on me. And then when I try to search and search and search for a way out, there you are, pop up out of nowhere like you did nothing for me. You did nothing for me but make my life a living hell. My mother used to tell me about you, but me get to see for myself in real life. Say you is nothing but a little pussy. Yeah. And I hope you see that video and I hope you watch it and look for me and see how your daughter get big. You go see how your daughter get big. and you're not in your daughter's life, and you will never be a part of my life. I forgive you. I not have you up, but I not gonna ever forget what you do to me. I not gonna ever forget how you carry me and make me suffer. People throw me out in a cold, in a winter. Me have to stay at people place. People show me all kind of bad face. People do me all kind of things. And me have to put up with it because I can't do better. And you bring me here. You responsible for me. Do you know how I feel? Do you know how I feel to know that I have a father? And
Shanni just that prissy wicked.
Oh, thank you. May I make them know, say, listen, whoever them feel that girl is, whoever them feel like say this girl is a god, I am a goddess if she's a god. Because she worse than me. She make a big mistake, a mistake worse than me because she got breed for the married man. I breed, she breed. Him use me and she get breed. Me can't do now because you need to apart for me. She breed and me get used. So in all honesty, I am the victim right here. I'm gonna feel like some ever come justify this. Because I don't want nobody to come show no shade off for me. I feel like say, oh, them is the shit. You're no shit. You're no shit. Me not take no shade from no look nasty girl we breed for no married man. No look suck cocky girl. We feel like so them better than me not take it. Me not take it. I will heap of shade me see. See I know. I will heap of shade me see. I'm just a wallet like G. But when I push my button this time, I need them to leave me alone and apart from me. Cause I don't see people. I don't see people. I don't see people. It's like them not remember say a married man the woman breed for. She take the people them husband and breed for the people them husband. Me never go in on about the married life and go breed for them husband. So please to leave me alone. Okay? Yes. I am her karma. That's all I have to say. I think Shibata don't tell you already. I am her karma. I am a lesson. I am a taste of her own medicine. I am a taste of her own medicine. The same thing you do, be prepared for it come back around for you. Be prepared for it come back around for you. Do not go and breed for nobody married. Not going on a married, not go there with no married man and breed for them. You're crazy. I feel like say you go live scratch free and come and
Hannah, Messiah, tree Hannah.
I wanna say it works, sweetie. It don't catch you up back. Adjust the role of life, the laws of life. Yeah. You can't.
Messiah, one money gone.
For there with a married man, nobody know, but if you go breed for the married man, you know what that does spiritually? It's a terrible thing. Terrible thing. Sometimes God use people to be other people karma. I never even know that, but it works like that. Prefer to be a side chick. Side chick wherein I know. Side chick wherein I know what's going on. At least me never breed for nobody married man. I make them know say listen, whoever them feel that girl is, whoever them feel like say this girl is a god, I am a goddess if she's a god. Because she worse than me. She make a big mistake, a mistake worse than me because she got breed for the married man. I breed, she breed. Him use me and she get breed. Honesty, I am the victim right here. I'm gonna feel like some ever come justify this.